Hello everyone, Karen here from Sew and Save. We have some spectacular fabric that just came in today and I had to tell you about it. The holidays are coming up and you know what? You don't even need to use these for the holidays. It's always a good time to thank our military families and family members and those essential workers that are parts of our lives. So we have some military fabric as well as essential worker fabric. These fabrics are perfect for masks, for pillowcases, or they can even be the focal point of a beautiful quilt. And you can get it done for the holidays, you know you can. These fabrics will be on sale on our website through Sunday, November 8th for 20% off. So you'll click on the link below, use the code ESSENTIAL20 and you will get these fabrics for 20% off this week. What a wonderful way to thank our military family members or friends as well as our essential workers. There's fire, there's nursing, there's Marines, there's Army, there's Navy. So there's something for just about, I think, every branch of the armed forces. So be sure to stop in today and take a look at what we have. We do have more coming in. Some was back ordered. So hopefully we'll get some more in soon. So stop in, take a look, and we can help you pick out fabrics to go along with these for your next project. Thanks for shopping with us. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.